the Father tonight. Yeah, yeah. A blessing from you. Come on. You got the song by now. You ought to lift your hand and sing